Welcome back, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Guys, we're going to be saving a ton of money between Walmart and CVS on this shopping trip, and I can't wait to share all these amazing deals with you. If you are new to my channel, please make sure that you have liked this video, share this with someone, and also hit that red subscribe button. I'm also available on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So you want to know when all of my visual deals come out, please join me on those platforms as well. As always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off or you can just pull it up on your phone to take in the store with you. There's no need to write any of these deals down. I've done all the hard work for you. In addition, I do have IBOTTA and Fetch that I would love for you to join me with. So just check out the details to join me on IBOTTA and the details to join me on Fetch. And that will also help you save some money on today's trip. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm sure you guys have heard about this Axe deal that's going on at Walmart right now. These are going to be totally free. So what you're going to do is you'll go to the Christmas clearance section. You're going to pick up the boxes of Axe that are $9.98. These will be half off. So these are going to be $4.99. And then you will open the box. I know that sounds weird, but you will open the box and pull out this coupon that's inside. So this is the free Axe coupon that is inside. It will come off at the self-checkout, no problems. You won't need a customer service representative or anything like that. But be careful, do not pick up the boxes of Axe or large. And they're about $15. Half off, they'll be $7.49. So make sure you pick up the smaller boxes to get this deal on this Axe body spray and deodorant absolutely free using the coupon inside the box. This is a huge money maker on this Slow Mag MG vitamins. These are the kind of vitamins that you take for after, workout recovery. They're gummies, and I couldn't believe it. So we're actually going to make $4.52 on these vitamins. Now, I found these in Walmart on the bottom shelf. So if you can't find them, look towards the bottom, and you should be able to find them. Now, remember, when we get money makers like this, and we're making $4.52 on something, we're using those money makers to pay for other things that we need, like milk and bread and meat and veggies, things that we don't normally get coupons on. So here's the breakdown on these Slow Mag MG vitamins. You're going to go to their website. They have a $5 coupon, and this coupon can be printed twice. So print that $5 coupon. It came off perfectly at the register, no problems whatsoever. Then we'll head over to IBOTTA. There is an IBOTTA rebate for 50% back. So that will be $4.94 on the IBOTTA rebate. In addition, you'll head on over to Shopkicks. Now, if you are not part of Shopkicks, please join me on Shopkicks. My referral code is in the description box. Join me on Shopkicks, and you're going to submit your receipt. That's going to be an equivalent of $4.46. So with your coupon, your IBOTTA rebate, and your Shopkicks rebate, this will be a profit of $4.52. Amazing. I am loving all these freebies, and all I have to do is use my phone, really, or my computer at home to print off a few coupons. So these You Buy Kotex, this box looks pitiful. These are $2.97 each. You can pick up the liners or anything that's equivalent to about $2.97, and it's going to be totally free. So let's get started. You're going to be using IBOTTA. There is a $2 IBOTTA rebate, and this actually can be done up to 3 times on your receipt, so you can get 3 boxes if you wanted to, and $2 back on each box, so that'll make these 97 cents. Now, you'll head on over to Fetch. Some people have a $1 rebate on Fetch, and some people have a $1.50 rebate on Fetch. Mine was $1. So it'll make these actually a little 3-cent moneymaker on these U by Kotex liners. So go ahead and pick these liners up. So these eye drops, we have a high valued coupon, a $5 coupon, and the website for that coupon is there. So it's just the website to the IBOTTA eye drop website. So we'll have this $5 coupon that you see here, so $8.97. Taking off that $5 coupon, it will make these eye drops $3.97. Then on IBOTTA, we have a $3 a rebate back on these. So make each of these eye drops just 97 cents. Now you can print this coupon off twice, and you can pick up 2 of these eye drops on the IBOTTA website. So if you needed eye drops, these would be 97 cents. Great deal on these. So I have been stocking up on these Finish Powerball Power Packs. They're going to be just 59 cents after the deals that I'm showing you here. So I'm going to pick up these small packs. They're the 12-pack tabs, and it's $3.34. Now, you can either use the Coupons app to submit and get your money back, or you can go to coupons.com to print off this coupon. It works just fine on the Finish Powerball Power. You don't have to get the quantum. So $1.50 is going to come off at the register, or like I said, you can submit to the Coupons app. After that $1.50 coupon, your total is going to be $1.84. Now, some people have different deals on the IBOTTA app. Some people have this for this rebate for $1 or $1.25. I actually have it for $1.25. I can do this up to 5 times if I wanted to. So after the $1.50 coupon and the $1.25 back on IBOTTA, these Finish Power Packs are going to be just 59 cents per pack. As long as they have this IBOTTA rebate for the all blue Oxy or the all free and clear, I'm going to be picking these up. These are $3.74. On IBOTTA, you're going to submit that and get $2 back. So each container is going to be $1.74. And the great thing about this, you can do this up to 5 times per receipt. So you can pick up 5 of the blue, submit that for the $2. You can get 5 of the all free and clear, submit that for the $2. And this just keeps reoccurring in my IBOTTA gallery. So love this deal, and I will continue to pick it up as long as it's there. So this is a multi-layer deal using a variety of rebate apps. And like I've said before, if you are not part of any of the rebate apps that I mentioned in this video, please check it out in my description box for the referral code. You get a kickback and I get a kickback as well when you sign up. So the best thing that we're going to do is pick up the Vitafusion Kids. The one I like is the melatonin. This is the drug-free gummy ones. These are $7.98 each. We're going to pick up 2 of these, and our total is going to be $15.96. Then we're going to submit our receipt after we're finished purchasing those 2 for $2 each. Because we're purchasing 2, we're going to get back $4 on IBOTTA. Man. Then you're going to head on over to a Shopkick and submit for both of these. Mine has already gone through, so worked just fine. I was able to get back $1,400 in Shopkicks. That's going to be equivalent to $5.60. So that was a pretty awesome deal. Getting these back, so I submitted for both. Even though I didn't get the women's, it still worked out just fine. Last but not least, we're heading over to a Swagbucks to submit our receipt for both of those. Make sure that you are buying everything on the same receipt to receive the money. You're going to get back 600 Swagbucks or $6. Is he straight, babe? So I did want to share with you some major clearance finds at CVS this week. So this is super easy. This is my favorite toothpaste, the Colgate Gum Renewal or the whitening. These are 75% off and are usually $9.59. So now at the register, it's going to be $2.39. Now on the CVS app, there are $3 coupons that you could use to get this totally free, plus a Moneymaker of 61 cents. But if you do not have that $3 coupon on the CVS app, you could always head on over to Coupons app and submit your receipt for $3 back, making this a 61-cent Moneymaker. Great deal on the Colgate. Same goes for the Crest Densify toothpaste. They have the daily whitening, which I love. These are usually $8.99 each. They're 75% off, making these $2.24. Now, we do have $2 coupons on the CVS app that you may use, making these 24 cents. And you are also able to head on over to IBOTTA to submit your receipt to IBOTTA. Now, some people have different offers on Ibotta. Some people have a $3 offer, which would make this a moneymaker. But I have an offer for $1.25 back on too, so it's not that great of a deal. But I still got this anyways because it's some high-value toothpaste. The only other decent deal that I was able to find was on this Crest 3D White. These are $4.99 each. And what I did was I went ahead and picked up 4 of these to maximize my savings. So when I picked up 4 of these, my total was $20. Now I was able to get back the $3 that you see there in extra care bucks twice. Because I picked up 4, this was able to work 2 times. So I got $6 in extra care bucks back. Then I used this $6 coupon that you see here if you buy 4 of the Crest products. Now what you don't see here is there is a $3 CRT coupon that can be used as well in conjunction with that. So when you spend $18 on Crest products, you can use that $3 coupon. So my total for all 4 toothpaste are $5 or $1.25 each on the toothpaste. So not a great deal, but fairly decent considering this toothpaste is pretty pricey. Now, these CVS toothbrushes are usually $5, but they are again on sale for 75% off. It's going to make these just $1.24. However, if you have the Care Pass, you'll be able to use your 20% off that you get with the Care Pass promotion for using a CVS brand product. So these toothbrushes are going to be about $1 each. Not too bad and a good thing to stock up on, especially if you donate to various corporations. So just $1 for these toothbrushes using your 20% off Care Pass. Now we have another Moneymaker on this Icy Hot Advance. These are on the large patches. I love these things. So these are usually $11.29. Again, the 75% off will make these $2.82 each. Make sure you scan with your Ibotta to check and you'll get back $3. So getting back $3 will make this a moneymaker of 18 cents. The great thing about this, it can be done up to 2 times per receipt. So you can pick up 2 boxes if your store carries them. My store only have 1 box left. So great moneymaker on this Icy Hot product. So often I get asked where do I get my coupons from, and here is a breakdown there for you guys. So if you want to know where I get my coupons, check out that image on your screen right there. Nowadays, it's mostly digital coupons and printable and rebate apps. Next is Fetch. If you are not part of Fetch, please download the app. Use my referral code 5F8HH and you get back $4 and I get back $4 as well. Thank you so much for joining me on this amazing couponing haul. Don't forget about the printable breakdown in the description box and also my referral codes for all the rebate apps. If you like this video, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell to all, and also click that thumbs up button to give me a thumbs up and maybe a comment too as well. All right, guys, I'll see you guys next time.